Model, 1990 Volkswagen Transporter High-Top Camper Conversion 1.9 Petrol. Very nice easy project. Body, grey, camper. Mileage, 99,061. Engine, 1915 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary: this had an engine rebuild a couple of years ago and the engine and gearbox are perfect. It will try to fire but will not catch. This has some kind of fueling, carburetor issue. Straightforward simple repair for someone who knows what they're doing. Very basic simple engine to work on. 1.9 petrol. Lovely fantastic camper conversion. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest camper. Van which has been well looked after. Features: electric hookup, fridge, fully fitted camper, bed. Euro status, Euro. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.